Hello students, today we are going to study about the structure of cell wall. As in earlier video we have seen the structure of plasma membrane and their function. So in this we will discuss about the cell wall. You can see this is the structure of plant cell, and here you can see a rigid cell wall is present, and internal to cell wall there is present a structure known as plasma membrane. So, and in also cell wall you have seen in the bacterial cell, you can see here there is a rigid cell wall present, but it is absent in animal cell. You can see here there is no any cell wall present. So in plant cell there occur a rigid cell wall, and which is outside the plasma membrane, and it is non-living, as the plasma membrane is the living membrane, but cell wall is non-living and it's freely permeable. As in case of plasma membrane we have seen that it is selective permeable, it allows only few substances to pass through it, but it is cell wall is non-living and freely permeable, it allows every substances to pass through it, and it provide protection of plasma membrane as well as cytoplasm. So whatever the organelles are present in the cytoplasm, it must be protected by the cell wall. It also determines the shape of the cell, and it prevent the cell from desiccation. Do you know what is the meaning of desiccation? Desiccation means drying up. It do not allow the cell to desiccate or to dries up, and it is made up of cellulose. It is a polysaccharide. Polysaccharides are the types of carbohydrate. So it is made up of cellulose. The plant cell wall consists of tiny cellulose fibers, and it glued together. They all are glued together, means they are joined together by a mixture of polysaccharide that is called as cellulose. And in plant cell there are some other substances also present, like pectins and hemicellulose, and some calcium and magnesium pectate is also present in their middle lamella. Middle lamella is a part of cell wall. So what is the function of cell wall? First, it permit the plant cell to become turgid. In presence of cell wall, the plant cell become turgid. It does not allow the water to go out of the cell, and that's why the plant cell become in turgid condition. Turgid condition means that is swollen up, means full of water. Means ki plant, you cannot see that it is like wilted. Wilted means मुरझाया हुआ. So it protect the plant from this wilting condition. It does not allow the plant to wilt and remain in turgid condition. There is another term known as flaccid. This is the opposite of turgid. As I told you that wilted or murझाया हुआ, and it flaccid, the meaning is same, murझाया हुआ, but turgid is swollen up, means full of water, and uh, plant stand erect. So as water enters the vacuole through osmosis and the plant cell expands, and the cell wall has to be strong enough to resist the expansion and so enables the cells to become turgid. You can see in this diagram, this is a structure of plant cell. Here it is vacuole, cell wall, plasma membrane, and it is cytoplasm. So you can see here that water come inside and the vacuole become turgid. So this turgidity is maintained by this vacuole itself. It pushes the pressure towards the, see here, towards the cell wall. So, or you can say not cell wall, uh, this is a type of pressure, or you can say turgor pressure, which is exerted by the cytoplasm on the cell wall. And see here, then there is a cell wall and it provides the wall pressure, and it is the pressure applied by the cell wall on the content of the cell. See here, ये इधर से प्रेशर लगाता है, ये इधर से प्रेशर लगाता है. So these two pressure cancel each other and the cell become in turgid condition always. So you can say this term is actually not given in your NCERT book, that turgor pressure or wall pressure, but something is written there that the cell wall permits the plant cell to become turgid, and as water enters the vacuole through osmosis, water moves into the this cell through osmosis. The plant cell expands, and the cell wall has to be strong enough to resist this expansion and so enables the cell to become turgid. So how it enables the cell to become turgid? This is the way, this is the turgor pressure and wall pressure which applied by the plant cell to maintain its turgidity in the cell. So as I told you that it is freely permeable to water and substances in solution, and also it provide mechanical, cell wall provide mechanical strength, to the cell. And the last one is the plasmolysis. This I will discuss in next video.